What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be installing upgraded headlights on our 4th gen Ram. So in a previous video, we installed these upgraded headlights. They're LED on my Hellcat swapped Ram, but today we're actually working on my buddy Brett's truck. He just picked up this 2014 RT single cab. So here it is. He's got the factory Ram headlights, but they are severely faded. We could put my shop boosted HID kit in these, but the fact that the lens is so faded, he wants to clean up the look. Plus the tab here is broken, so they're just hanging on for dear life. So we have got these VLAN ones in here, so I'm going to show you guys before and after. They're in here right there. I think we're actually going to be replacing the fog lights, but we'll get to that in a minute here. So what we're gonna do is I've got videos for you guys on how to take the grill off, how to take the headlights out. Essentially, you pop off this shield here. There's 4 bolts here that hold the grill on, and then there's a 10mm bolt here, a 10mm bolt there, quick release latch from the back, and then the headlight comes off. So I'll link above here how to exactly do that, but I'm gonna show you guys before and after, and we'll see how it looks. Obviously, it is nighttime out, but we're gonna show you guys how everything comes out. So here's how it currently looks. This is the running lights, of course, and you can probably see just how sun-beaten these lenses are. They are the OEM ones, Ram, like you see there. And then if I turn on the headlights, there we go. Headlights are on. They really aren't that bright, but look at these lenses. They have seen better days. This one's even worse. Extremely beaten. So that's the look right now. Let's go ahead and get those LED ones in there. So we've got the 4 bolts out on our grill, so we'll go ahead. We're gonna slide this off. Some people argue you don't have to take the grill off, but it's honestly so easy to just remove it. Set that down there. And now here we go. We got the bolts. This one's not doing anything. And that one's not doing anything. And then we got the 2 over here. So let me get those out, and then we're halfway there. In here, there's usually an access door here. In Brett's case, there's not. There's even water in the lens, moisture. So these will be extremely easy to take off. Okay, so we just went ahead, squeezed the tab, got it out. Look at how broken this headlight is. So, ow! That thing is out of there. That was stuck to the back of the headlight, or supposed to be. So now we've got a clean slate. We can put the new one in. All right, there is a wire in the kit that goes from one side to the other. This is for the daytime running lights. So just went ahead and ran it. I'm gonna run it across the bottom over to here. Once I get this headlight out, I'll fish it through here. But this is gonna go to our fuse box. It just taps into the fuse, gives us our daytime running lights without having to do any programming. All right, so here's the lights here. I usually don't take them out of the plastic until I get them on, just so that they're all protected while we install them. So same ones that are on the Hellcat swap Ram I just showed you guys, but we're gonna go ahead and start getting them fitted in. And on the back, you can see here, it's got the connection here. So this should just plug right in for us. And then this one here, this is for the daytime running lights. So also I'll show you guys, if you happen to have a factory quad headlight or single, it does come with the adapter harness. So you got that as well if you need it. All right, check this out, you guys. So here's the one side. I haven't fully fixed it in here, but still plastic is on it. I just want to show you guys a quick comparison. So we got the amber on this side, obviously, and then the all white. And then Brett, hit the lights. Look at the difference. So much brighter on this side. So anyways, just a quick little update for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and remove this one, swap it out, and I'll show you guys once that's in as well. All right, so this headlight's in. I want to show you guys this thing on the back. There's a little plug, they call it, in China, they call it the animation plug. So see this little doohickey here? If you unplug this, it won't do this little animation deal. So I'll unplug it on this side just to give you guys a reference and show you guys what that difference is. And then you guys can decide in the comments which way you guys prefer it. All right, so when you turn the lights on, this is the difference. See how this one is doing this whole little sequence deal? And that one just came on and went white. This one kind of does like a little blinking flash deal before it finally comes on. So when you disconnect the plug, it just comes on like that. Plug connected, does that whole sequence thing. All right, so we plugged that little animation plug back in, and then if I slip this out just a little bit further, we also have the daytime running light plug plugged in, and then I ran it up to the fuse box here where we can tap into this. So we'll go ahead. You can technically, you know, program the truck so that it has daytime running lights, but these guys give you a fuse tap to be able to do it without having to do any programming. So I'm gonna put the headlight back in. We're gonna put it back in the socket, push this latch up. Again, I have a headlight video for you guys if you guys want to get into details and the nitty gritty. Then we'll put the 2 bolts in here, get everything in, and we'll see how they look. All right, guys, so headlights are back in, grills back on. I'll show you guys quickly how they look, how they work. So pretty decent. They're gonna do that animation because, like I said, there's it wasn't me. It was the door.
Here's you, John.
All right, so there we go. There's running lights doing their little animation deal, and then they're gonna come on just solid white. Looks real good, but we gotta do something about those fogs, and that guy has to do something about that muffler. And then there's on. There you go. Super bright. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you how bad these fogs are gonna look, and we're gonna change out the fogs because it almost is essential. All right, and here is what I'm talking about. Look at how disgusting those look. Super bright, super ugly. So let me show you guys what we're putting on. All right, so we're gonna fix that problem. We've got these fog lights here, LED fog lights. I'm gonna link everything that you guys can see here down in the description below. You guys can do the exact same stuff here today, have it here in 2 days. So these are pretty simple. I also have a dedicated video on these. I'll link it above for you guys, but 3 bolts and these are in. You can literally slide underneath the truck, undo 3 10mm bolts and put them in, plug and play. You also see this extra wire right here, so that's for the DRL. So it supplies that extra little wire there, and the one that we just tapped into the fuse box for the headlights, we can actually tap right into that, and then these will illuminate. So let's go ahead, get those old ugly ones out of there, put the new ones in. All right, guys, check this out. We got one in here. Look at that daytime running light there. So we got the daytime running lights here, same deal here. Nothing on this side, just a crusty fog light. Let me show you guys when everything is lit up. So here we go, everything is lit up on this side. Super bright fog light. And then here we go, crusty fog light. All right, so we're just getting this fog light out. Here's how you take it out. Pull it out like this, and then you throw it like that. All right, check this thing out, you guys. So this is purely running lights. I swear the running lights are probably almost brighter than the driving lights from before. This thing looks so good. So, and then we'll go ahead and we'll turn on the actual lights. Okay, and then here is how it looks fully lit up. You guys can probably see this crazy glare I'm getting in my camera. So, super bright. Definitely a huge difference. So I'll link everything down in the description below. Also detailed videos on step-by-step grill removal, headlight removal, fog light video, headlight video. I've done these all before, but we wanted to do it again and show you guys on a different color truck and a different application. So anyways, all the products also will be down in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video.